Okay guys, so due to popular demand, everyone wanted a chicken madras, so that's what we're doing today. So we start with some oil and some garlic and ginger, let it burn off nicely. And we add some fenugreek seeds, some salt, then the usual mixed spices and tomato puree. Then now we're going to add the most important is the chili powder. This is what differentiates between a curry, a madras and a vindaloo. And now I'm going to add some lemon juice. And now you can add your choice of meat. I've got chicken here, and you can add your base. Give it a good mix. You can add some garam masala. And this part's optional. You don't have to add naga pickle. I want to add some because I was feeling some naga pickle today. Now into a karai, you can add some garlic if you want to. Pour it in, and garnish with coriander and serve with pilau rice.